Hi, why did I find affiliate marketing an easy choice as a beginner's online business? It's Del from Future You Success here, and I just wanted to touch on starting your own online venture and the challenges that you face in respect of you might not have any experience, you have very limited funds, you're worried that any money you do invest, you're going to watch it go up in smoke or lose your shirt on the opportunity. I know where you're coming from. I've invested in lots of online ideas and schemes, etc., most of which don't work, which I can obviously talk about at another time. But I really wanted to touch base with where affiliate marketing can be a great choice for you if you really want to dip your toe in the water and find out whether the online world is actually for you. It might not be, I don't know, but it's again something that without investing a lot, you can find out very quickly if you're cut out for it, if you like. Um, why is affiliate marketing the best? Well, there's four main reasons I would say for that. You've got low startup cost, you've got your schedule that it's flexible, you don't have to invest money into a product creation or testing. You also can scale the business up as well with a wide range of topics and subjects that you can uh, look at. So, what is affiliate marketing to start with, in case you don't know? Its best way to describe it would be if you were to recommend to me a good restaurant or perhaps a pair of running shoes, actually, not running shoes, I don't run, barbecues. Barbecue would be a good one. Um, what's better, a gas or a charcoal? If you were to let me know and I go and buy something, you could get paid a commission on what you've recommended to me. And in a nutshell, that's really what affiliate marketing is. If you can recommend products to enough people, you'll earn commissions, and that's that. But the four key reasons that I say it's the easiest one to dip your toe in the water with as an online business venture for a beginner is the low startup cost. Really, all you need is a laptop, a good Wi Fi or internet connection, maybe a mobile phone, and you're on your way. Most important thing you will invest, though, will be your time. And you're going to have to obviously put some time into any venture to get it off the ground. But with affiliate marketing, you're only really investing your time. There's plenty of programs you can join and look at and follow that don't cost anything to get started, in my experience, and it'll be the same for you. The second thing is that it's flexible. Now we all lead busy lives. You probably work. You've got your family, whatever it is, your other interests that go on in the world. You need a bit of downtime. But, that's life. But the good thing about affiliate marketing is that you can begin to build some momentum in just a few hours a week. More you put in, obviously, the more you're going to get out of it. But you can get yourself going, get yourself moving, just by investing some time. The other reason is product development. You don't need to develop a product to sell. There are companies who are going to pay you a commission for recommending what they already produce, goods, services, whatever it might be. You don't need to start building a product, importing a product, marketing a product per se. It's already done for you. You just have to get those products in front of enough people that a percentage will buy from. And the final one that you really think about is your niche. Basically, what are you interested in? There is a whole world out there of uh, subject matter information that you can talk about. What interests you? What's your hobbies? Whatever it is that you have a passion about, that you are interested in, you can easily recommend to other people. Why? Well, because you know about it. And that's the simplest place to start. You can find programs that will reward you. Let's say running, we'll use that as the example. You might know the best pair of running shoes to wear. Recommend that to enough people. Uh, they will pay you a commission if it's a training shoe company. Barbecues, recommend enough barbecues if that's your passion, and you'll earn commission on that as well. So hopefully that's given you some idea of why I think it's the best business for you to start as an online venture in your first opportunity. If you want to know more, have a look at some of the links and the information that I've written, far more expansive on the subject, that you can take some time over, as well as there's some ideas of a business you can start with affiliate marketing, zero cost to get a flavour and get a feel of it, and I'll leave that link in there below. If you've got any comments or any questions, drop them again down below. I'll come back to you, and yeah, just wish you all the best and good luck with your online venture. Thank you.